So here's what we're going to do in these examples. We are going to be reading a statement about a survey that was taken, and then you're going to determine whether it's a part-to-part comparison or a part-to-whole. And then based on that, you're going to do the math to see if it accurately reports the results of the survey. So let me show you the first example here. And it's saying that, so the survey was 150 students were asked whether they preferred television or radio, and 100 of them said television, and 50 of them said radio. And remember that 150 is the total because those two numbers added together. So let's look at this first statement and decide whether it's a part-to-part or part-to-whole, and then we'll use the numbers to see if it's accurate. At Nielsen Middle School, 1/3 of the students prefer radio to television. So 1/3 of the students, that's a fraction. And a fraction is a part to whole comparison. So since it's a fraction, I'm going to write this way: part to whole. And since it's part to whole, that when I set up my fraction, that means the part that we are referring to is going on the top, and the denominator will be the whole. So because it's a fraction, the whole is the total number of students. So I know that's 150 students. So I'm going to put that, and I'm going to put that with a label, make sure I have the right number. So 150 students. Then 1/3 of them want. 1/3 of the students prefer radio. So I'm thinking of the part that prefers radio. So the radio part of this survey is 50. So 50 radio. Now you might think to yourself, but it says to television. So where does the television number go? Well, this is just like extra. That's just a clarifying statement. Really, we could have stopped the sentence right here and it wouldn't change anything. 1/3 of the students prefer radio. 1/3 of the students prefer radio to television. Well, yeah, those are the same sentences because they were only given two choices. So it doesn't change anything by just putting a period at the end of the sentence. So that being said, this is a fraction, and these are the numbers I'm dealing with. So now I'm going to simplify this fraction to see if it matches 1/3. And when I do, when I divide the top and bottom by the same number, which is 50, I get 1/3. So this simplified to 1/3, that matches. So this agrees. So this statement here agrees with the math in the survey. Thanks.